today's video. So it's 5:47 a.m. and let's go for running.
I don't know, there is something magical about the early mornings. The world is still sleeping and it's just me and the sunrise. Early morning are my secret heaven, where the time slow down and I find the perfect harmony with myself and the world. As I was going for my running, but then these dogs started making noise like crazy. I can't stand that noise because it make me scared. Don't get me wrong, dogs are cute but scary at the same time. If you had watched my 20-day wake up early challenge, you probably know this river. I love this river and its view in the morning. You know, uh, everything is so quiet and peaceful and the view is just breathtaking. You have to just stand 30 seconds there and you get fresh, like you feel the peace within you.
I am ready. Now I have to eat my breakfast and then I am leaving.
By the way, it's 8:02 a.m. and I don't know why I'm so happy here and so excited. It's just my makeup and I was in good mood. I don't know now. So I was just so happy that I forget to speak anything. I was just blank. I was just walking, and I forget that I need to edit that video and it's also need my voice. And here also there is something special about brown skin that we go into sunlight and our skin shine like gold. And here I got my auto and this is best part, the view, and no traffic and no horn voices. It's just clear road and you have to just wait to arrive your location. And here is a reason why I did not did my hairstyle, you know style my hair, because wind blow my hair and my hair is like baby hair, so silky. So yeah, and I got to know why my friend calls me Chinese. And it's 8:43 a.m. and we arrived at our destination. I don't know what happened that day with me. I just forget that I need to say something. And here I want to add the song happy, 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 but I'm not going to add that because I know I'm going to get copyright on this video also. First, we need to enter by back door and do attendance. Then I have to go to fifth floor by lift, of course, because it's so hard to use stairs when I'm just 43 kg and I don't need cardio. So yeah, this is our staff lift and we need to use that when we are not in uniform, because we need to give our guests, you know respect. And yeah, this is our terrace, fifth floor. Here is the main office and female changing room. Next one is male changing room, and we are not allowed to go in guest area. So first I need to change my clothes and then I'm going to show what's our terrace look like that time. I don't know what it's look like now. Now let's change first and then ta-da, and I'm ready. And now I have to style my hair. Before I had long hair, just my shoulder length. Then I did that time I did bun and little bit styling. And yeah, you have to smell good also. I don't know, I think I ate something wrong that day. I'm just making face. I don't know why. I'm totally fine, guys. It just weird me. And let's go show you how our terrace look like. First, here is a breathtaking view of our terrace, and it is also my favorite place to cry when I got scolded by my seniors and manager. And there is a swimming pool, and I forgot to change my shoes, and let's go for breakfast first. And this is our staff cafeteria. After eating little bit more, I'm finally starting my day because I already had my breakfast at home. Now that my senior had gone to take his breakfast, I took the chance and recorded this video because there is a restriction on using personal phone on working hours, and we can't record the videos when you are front, but there is no guest and I can't record that. My work is mostly related to recording and writing the guest information that had already stayed at
Hotel.
our, and we just need to record their information for in case. And I also do work on software and computer, but there is chance of making mistake because I'm still new, so they usually avoid to use me that software, but they still teach me how to use that, and I was quite satisfied what they teach me that time. It's 1:10 p.m. and I had my lunch, and I got the chance to record again, and I took that chance and recorded a short clip. And we also had to maintain a data of the basics things, amenities that had gone to guest room, and the guest had demanded the amenities. We need to make that data and show to the person who asked for that, but there is no one who asked for that data. I don't know why they told us to maintain that also. It's my first job, and sometimes there is not a day when I feel like myself, and sometimes I also cry. It's not easy that it's look in this video, but it was like quite hard when you are working, like you are not allowed to show your true emotion. Even you feel like crying, you have to smile to the person, guest. And around 3:46 p.m. I got the free time in the back office, and it was quite a good day. Now it's 6 p.m. and I don't got scrolled by my manager, and I was little tired, but it was okay.
Let's change our clothes and let's go home.
It was a good day because I got off work on time, and I don't got scroll that day, and I really eat something weird that day. That's why I did stupid thing. And this is my comfort time, sunset, and going home after getting tired. And I told my mom to get me a pet, but she told me get out of our home if you want new pet. But she was right. I can't take care of pet yet, and I have really different plan about my life. So that's all for today, and I also have a funny story about the hotel time, and if you want to know about that, please comment down below. And that's all for today's video. I hope to see you guys soon in my another video, and happy new year. Bye bye, good night, and good afternoon, good morning. I don't know what time you are watching because I'm editing this video in right, so it is good night for me. Bye bye guys, have a nice day or nice night.